And wow, fuck it now. Ford Fiesta gang, bitch. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and yet again we are in a different car, boys. Let me show you around. Ford. I cannot afford this car. So yeah, boys, that is right. We are actually going to be driving this Ford Fiesta for today's video. We're going to be taking it out for today's video. Honestly, look at that grille. That looks like it's going to eat your nan, spit her out, and then eat you. So then, a lot of people probably like wonder, what? We don't want to sit here watching a video of you driving a stock Ford Fiesta. And honestly, I can say, go fuck yourself. But honestly, boys, these days, these YouTubers, you know, they're spitting out 600 brake horsepower cars. Why don't we just reel it in for a second and appreciate the stock cars that we have? Like what we did with the Ford KA, let's do a few things I like about this car and a few things I don't. Another thing I like about this car is it's just like my sister's Ford K. Reverse gear is literally like doing this. And you're in reverse. My car, you have to lift the button here and then whack it in here. Quite simple, but you know, I like when you unlock the car, this little light shines. It's like telling everyone that, here, I'm here, pussies. This next light is an actual game changer. It has actual indicators that go down and stay down. Oh, and watch this, it goes up and it stays up. My car, it only does this and it flicks back down. It does not ever stay up. It doesn't have that feature. So yeah, that is a few things I like about this car. There are a few things that I don't like about this car sitting in it. One thing I don't like about this car is the fact that you have this massive like humpback whale in your bloody car. I don't want a humpback whale in my car. This dash like proper protrudes. That's a big word for me. So it makes the interior feel quite compact. Oh, and actually one more thing I don't like about this car is it's got massive ass door handles. I mean, it feels like I'm holding like a dildo when I open it. Before we actually get off in this Fiesta, I want to hear how the exhaust sounds first.
Pues, no.
That's right! Get no smoke! Get no smoke!
Você é de rica, né, não? Sei lá, nunca viu. Se for pra problema, já viu rico namorar pobre?
Alright then, lads, so we are now in the Ford Fiesta, and honestly, you know what? Something I love about this car, firstly, is it looks like a spaceship on the inside. I mean, it's got bloody blue dials. I mean, you can't say this isn't a spaceship now. We've got a cyclist coming up, so we can have a little, quick little feel of the extraordinary power of this car. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Bloody hell. So a little bit of information on this. I actually found this out. I didn't even know what litre engine this was. It didn't say 1.2 on the back. It just says Fiesta. Oh, fucking hell. This is actually a 2016 Ford Fiesta and it's a 1.2 litre engine. Let's give this car a little bit of a second gear punch, let's say. Alright, okay. Yo, like my face, I feel like I've got wrinkles now from, you know, the G-force that just pulled my face back. The seats, oh, look at this, look at me wiggling in them. It holds you in. Let me show you guys how light this steering wheel is. Like, if you guys have a Ford Fiesta, I rate you. Watch this. How crazy is that? Look, watch my hand. It's like caressing a lady. Let's not say that. Right, another 60 road coming up. Let's actually feel this car. Right. Second gear, look at this. Second gear pulls and it, wow. Third gear, fourth gear, still a bit of juice in fourth gear. Oh, look. Very nice place for dogging this is. Honestly, just watch how easy it is to get in reverse. I'm actually kind of bare jealous on how easy it is. I did a little detail on it yesterday, so it is looking very fresh. I mean, definitely would not get it in this colour because it's such a common Ford Fiesta colour. I feel like this is an old man colour. Do I want to look like an old man? No, I don't. If this was my car, definitely would get tinted windows, maybe new alloys. Absolutely love these indicators, you know, while driving. And like I said, they're like, it's like a light blue stalk, which is very nice. I want you guys to start a discussion in the comments. Do you guys own a Ford Fiesta? Because they're like Vauxhall Corsa limited editions. They're so bloody rare. You won't find more than about 200 in your village. So, you know, you gotta rate it. What is this fucking kid doing, the wanker? Fucking hell. Oh, and that indicator sound. The indicator sound's gorgeous. Let me whack it in third and show you guys the indicator sound. Ready? What do you mean? Like, I am a sucker for indicator sounds. That is a really nice one, that is. Ford Fiesta! Come on, flash the lights. Hey, come on. Oh, wait. Come on. Ford Fiesta gang, you gotta do it now. I rate it. Hey, Ford, come on. Yo, I flashed in. Oh, a little bit of a tunnel run. Oh my God, we've got a tunnel. Got a tunnel coming up, wait. Third gear, let's go. Tunnel run, come on. Hear that V10 power engine. Right, so far guys, I'm really liking the car. I think what I'll do for you guys is I'll quickly do a little bit of a POV. Okay, alright, so here is the Ford Fiesta. Let's turn it on. Listen to how quiet it is. Nice. Now let's get going. Right, so here is the Ford Fiesta, as you guys can see. And pigeon! Fucking pigeon! You know, do you guys like the interior? It definitely needs a little detail because it's so bloody dusty. But, you know, I really rate the blue, you know, spaceship kind of things. Let's listen to the honk, because I've never heard this yet. Hold on. But listen to the horn. Oh, that's a beefy horn, that is. That's no pussy horn, that not. Once again, let me show you guys how nimble this car is. You know, we're doing 30 miles per hour, so we're not. But look at this. Look how nimble it is. So damn nimble. Is that the word I'm looking for? It's like a bloody ninja. That's what it feels like to me. Let's not bin it, but something that's good about this car is it's got nice brakes, so you can really stop when you want. Leave it in third. Brake. Chuck it into this corner. A little bit of throttle so that you don't spin out or nothing. And wow, fucking hell. Ford Fiesta gang, bitch! This is how I can show you guys how punchy, or like, you know, for a 1.2, this is how punchy this car is. Ready, right? Oh my, look at the front end, it goes up. That's mental, actually. 1.2 litre engine this is. Oh, there's a dog. Fuck it, what the shit is the dog doing? Why have we've run into dogs, we've run into cats, we've run into... Jeez, where's that dog gone? Oh my God. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video in the Ford Fiesta. And honestly, if you have one of these cars, I rate you. You know, I rate this car probably like a 7 out of 10 or something. If you guys enjoy me driving just normal stock cars, obviously we will go into more powerful cars as I go older. I'm almost 21, so I can almost test drive performance cars for like 24 hours, you know. So yeah, just bear with me guys. I obviously can't get insured on these big powerful cars at the moment, or at least it's very hard to and very expensive. But for stock cars like this Ford Fiesta, you know, I can get insured on it very easily. So let me know what you guys think of me driving these stock cars. If you've got to the end of today's video, you're a true like trooper. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new. Almost at 50,000 subscribers, so that is crazy. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you faces in my next video.